many people they face many challenges. Many people they do things because of what the society puts us. Many people they feel to kill themselves because they think say they no get life again. Many people they get this life, it just be like say they no day. You understand? So there are many things we are going to amend. Many things they won't want amend as we may get this type of skin. Many things they won't want amend. You can see my topic there. The tradition, the nation will come from the feel that when be say you know born pikin, they will say my normal beer agmoje. I'm telling you, I'm here to encourage you today. They go still talk say if you no marry, no be life you dey. Na big error, my people. Na big error. Don't let people put you for where be say you no fit into. Not let people put you for where be say you no fit into. Not let people tell you otherwise about your life. With that child, you are a human being and you are a woman or a man. But today, I especially come for women because this thing. Oh, good evening, good evening, good evening. Please share me hearts. Share me out, share me out. Ever ready? Share me out, please. So I want to talk to women when be say they never born. Women when be say they never born, not think say you know their life again. You are a human being and you are a woman. Don't let person tell you otherwise. Your child, picking when we born now, people when know they feel say I don't born, or more yang born. Now lie. Now lie. But some people will say if you not born, if you die, they will forget you. Don't let people deceive you. You can still make your name on this earth, even when you no get picking. Don't let people ridicule you before people go do you because you never born. You call wicked because of what people they talk. Don't let people put you for where you not belongs to. You get good at because you not get picky person they ridicule you say come on for here you never born. You were never born. You consider they talk for where other women they don't get that right. And not look them. Because of that one, when they tell you, say, because say you not born, they call you say, you not born. See you be barren woman. Who tell you say now let pikin, if you born pikin, now you not be barren. There are many things, if you get pikin, there are things you lack in your life. Nobody in this head that is stable. There are many things that we lack in our life. Either you lack A or you lack B. You can never know human being on earth can be perfect. Nobody on this earth that is perfect. You are not perfect, I'm not perfect. Not because I have a child you did not have. You feel that because you not get pikin, na me can't get her, na me God bless pass. No. Not be God bless pass because say I get pikin. Go and look at the life of Oprah Winfrey. He not get pikin. He use the error, take correct himself. He use the mistake, everything when he don't face for this life. He use that to make name for himself. Look at the life of Igodao, the woman that died last month. She don't have a child. But go and look at her life. When she died, the world celebrate her. Even me that is here, I celebrate her. I remember her in my memory. I remember when she died, people that cry for her. If your mama when he born Battalions died today. Now let you want cry for your mama. Now sorry, the rest people will tell you. Do you know how many people cry for that woman because of her death? Do you know how many people said, God, why? So it's not because of your pikin. Now person go remember you. Now let that your children now go remember you. You see your good work. You see your good work when you do, when you remember for this earth. Now people will tell remember you. Not be your children. You when be say you not get pikin, you think say your life don't end. No, your life no end. Your life no end, my sister. There are many ways to make yourself happy. There are many ways to contribute to the earth. There are many ways to contribute to other people's life. Can you imagine? Somebody not born. as you no born, you get many property. They say, oh, as you die, say, oh, all it is now, it's your loss. How you say lost when you might be there at? How the things stay lost? When we say people see there this life. Sometimes you don't know how people think. You see, my oh. Now we they do for night. That what they do for as far as we are concerned. You see, when you they do only my hoe, I will have it all. Everything belongs to me. I must have it. If I did not have it, I must die. I must have this thing. If I never get this thing, my life no they move forward. That's why we know they get anything. That's why all these presidents, all this they want put for their pockets. They know they care about other people. Now these things they cause harm. If I no born, I'm useless. If I no born, I can't become wayward. Now these things they cause harm. My people, please, if you know any woman when no get pikin around you, no feel say you better pass on because say you born. No feel say na that your pikin now go remember you if you die. No feel say na that your pikin now go remember you if you die. No feel am. No feel am a big error. No feel am at all. No think am. No think am say you better pass woman when you no born. No think am at all. No think am. How can a woman go to church? God give me fruit of the womb. God give me fruit of the womb. There are many children running around. Because I want my own pikin. I want my own. I must born her for my belly. I must push her come out. Because of that one, no children are running around looking for pets. They look for mama when you want to take care of them. They look for papa when you want to take care of them. At the end of the day, if they want to go adult, they go adult girl. If you see anybody when you adult, what do you adult girl? What do boys pikin do now? Please put water in the cup for me. What do boys pikin do now? Please. Please. You are not useless because you don't have a child. You are not useless because you don't have a child. At all. You are a woman. Don't let other people feel say you not be woman again. Don't let another person tell you say you be man. You are a woman. I'm telling you today, I come here to encourage you that you are a woman, a full woman. Not be only pikin that say they say so go say the Bible said go to the earth and have dominion. Go to the earth and multiply. They tell you say now let children person they multiply. Fine, children is good, but you know go say remember say pikin they know they use power till they do one. God have purpose for everybody. Una don't make many mama when be say no so not even ready to be mama. Go they do mama by force. Mothers are not supposed to be mothers because of society. You must marry. You must born. There was a woman in my mother's church. At her age of 50 years, she go do what they call her. Oh my God, why you near unai? This transplanting. What they call her? Babe, somebody to write it. What they call her? She go do at the age of 50. I be 50 something. She born that pikin and she died. The pikin they alive. Ask me who want to take care of that pikin. Ask me. That is why Europe law, like where me they stay, when you are more than 40 years, they will not do it for you. Because they feel that when you want to train the pikin, how can a man that want travel from Libya to Italy, his mama will say, quickly pregnant one girl, so that if you die, you go see who will carry your name. You know think say who go train that pikin before you know go think say who go no go talk say who go train that pikin if at all you die, because you when you want cross it, you know say na 50-50. You think children just to give birth like that? You think say na just to give birth to children like that? Forcing people that don't supposed to have children to become mothers. Forcing people that don't become wives to become wife. My sister, if you are not married, that does not mean your life don't finish. Echo IVF. Do you know how many people IVF have taken their life? People say if you're not born, go do IVF. Go do IVF. Go do IVF. At the end of the day, women are dying because they call the show some for Facebook. They call the show some for Facebook. Oh, congratulations. 60 years. I'm happy for them. I'm just saying it's not by force. I'm just saying it's not by force. Don't let society put you to that extent. To be having baby at the age of 70 because Sarah had baby at the age of 90. Those days, you know how many years did they last for life? Do you know how many women that have lost their life because of IVF? Do you know how many women, because society says you not born, you not be woman. Because you build one house here, you want born battalions, so that if you die, they're going to fight over that property. Do you know how many women that they have died because of that? If I tell you need a child, there are many children around Nigeria there that is running the streets. Go and adopt one. Go and take one and start taking care of them. And stop going to church and small money when you get, say they sow seed. Woman that is above 30 years, if you never married, or say it's not a wife material. Because of that one, the woman can't dey wayward. Because of what society puts you. The society feel say you feel say as you never marry, woman will never marry. Now wayward woman. Now woman will be saying no fit keep my by the way. No, that is a story for another day. Let me not just misuse what I'm saying. Because say you never marry, you don't reach 30 years. You never marry. You say because of that one, a husband they make you. Now husband I will make you responsible. That is a lie. Make yourself responsible. Who they tell all these women say if you never marry, you don't feel they responsible. Who they tell? No, they give you that orientation. Say I never marry. I can do anything I like. No. I'm telling you today, you cannot do anything you like because you are not married. Because we went there, the husband house, we don't feel they responsible before we did there. Yes, I'm telling you. Don't put yourself into that position. Don't put yourself into that position that a man, you must get married before you become a better person. Don't put yourself in that position that if I never become a man, if I never become mother, I no go feel respect myself. I no get husband, I can do anything I like. I no get husband, I feel wear pants, even they waka for streets. Who told you that? Who told you that you can misbehave because you don't have a husband? My women, my fellow women, I'm telling you to have value in your life. Have value in your life. Have value in your life. Don't let other people think or make you to think otherwise that you are not a woman because you don't have a child or because you are not married. And ladies that are not married, please, you are a woman without a man. Yes, you can make a better life. You can help things. Yes, my dear, here in Italy, 40 years above, you cannot do IVF. Life, you can't. You can't do IVF after you are age 40. You can't do IVF because they feel that when you how many years you want to take care of the pikin. You know when they celebrate things, they don't bring the bad one, and people don't really understand. People don't really understand these things. People don't really understand these things. People want to live the life we are living in Europe, but we are not amending our nonsense. We are not amending things. Please, my ladies, I'm not here to stay long. I know they say for my life, if I do video, I know they say I will give you as it take in my head and I will leave. I'll be walking. That is why I really want to be coming every time. Really, but I can't mix things together because I know if you come here because they sleep. You understand? If I tell I love my sleep past another thing. After I do 8 hours, come do another hours with my children, I'm off. And my body will just scatter. That does not mean I'm a lazy person. But please, my ladies, please, 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 I'm here today to encourage you. Yeah, when we know my now ya zeri. What I see with this my eye. Now I tell the talk. Don't feel because you are single. Don't feel because you see in Germany it's 35 years, but Nigeria they go do it for 100 years old woman. They don't care. They don't care. They don't care. You must get pikin. If you don't get pikin, you are a failure. What a nonsense. What a nonsense. Go and look at the life of people that don't have children. I give 2 examples, and they are more. They are more. You must not be like Oprah Winfrey. You must not be like Igodao. There are even people that inspire me that don't have children that see happy in social media. There are still people in social media that they don't have children. But I love them because they know what they want. They don't let you na mad. Put them for one place, go they hide. I don't get pikin, oh. I must wicked, oh. I don't get pikin, oh. I must wicked. Don't let people do that to you. Don't let people bring you to that point. Say, you go call wicked past wicked. Don't let people do it to you at all. Don't let people do it to you. It's not made for everybody. If it's made for everybody, everybody go for the collector. It's not made for everybody. That does not mean you are not prosper. That does not mean that people, when you get children, they better pass you. They no better pass you, my sister. They no better pass you. That no mean say, because say you no get the king. Say person when he gets, you go come they intimidate you. You go come they cry. No, don't cry. Don't cry. Do things when person no go fit, when they no go fit do. And you when you get pikin, no fit say na your pikin. Now I go remember you. Now I go do everything for you. No fit say if you die now, my children, I don't see children when you talk say, Giji mawa hu na me ya wafo. I don't see children like that. And then you read that dog pikin, oh, that means their mama they alive, they don't even they forget their mama. Their mother was alive. They were praying for their mother death so that everybody do their own. So you ain't no get picky. Why are you crying? Why do you think that because of children, somebody now they go give you trophy? Hey, the highest woman in this life that have many children. No. Don't put yourself down for any bagger. No. Don't feel you don't have children. Don't feel you don't have husbands. Especially my women. That thing they pay my heart well. If I see women when be say it be they vibrant. You go say I no get husband, so I feel you know what you can do in your single life. Do you know what you can do? I'm not encouraging anything. I'm just telling you if you are not there, maybe you never marry. Not kill yourself. Not kill yourself. I know person go talk say you come why you marry. You see, that is where we get many things wrong. Now there we for they get her wrong. Like that day, like they talk say people feel marry anybody when they feel marry. People come to my inbox. I know you married to a Benima. I know you married to this. I know you and so because they are married to Benima. If I see person when he marry Gambia man. I can say, well, shame on you. You the craze. You the mad. You know where. You go marry Gambia man. Because I married to my tribe man. I get right to do that one, Abi. I only say, marry who you love. And marry who love you. Even women don't even get right to marry who they love. Marry who love you. Not marry who you love. Which kind of sense be that one? Please. Don't do that. No say you get pikin. Why you can't encourage people when you don't get pikin? Please don't do that to me today. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. I don't like what I hate. That is why we are not progressing. That is why African nation we are always down. I want to get my own. Now my pikin. Odoma me. Ovimia me. Now my pikin that they see. Now my husband, my pikin. Who tell you say if you adopt, that pikin will even bless you. True to God. I've seen many people for this country when me did so. When we say their mama, they don't get parents. Their parents, some of them, they get accidents. They adopt these children. If you see them, even one of them, they go the same school with my children. Mama, ti voglio bene. I love you, mommy. I love you, mommy. I love you, mommy. You will think they are easy. Now let color your cotton no say, I know this person not being born now. You understand? Adopt children if you don't have. Don't go to church and go and be praying for the fruit of the womb. Where fruit full everywhere. Fruit there everywhere. Which pikin you don't give, you don't bless? Let me ask that question. As a mother that don't, as a woman that don't have a child yet, which child, which pikin you don't bless? Which pikin you don't bless? Which pikin you don't bless for your life? Which pikin? You cannot have it all. Even we, when if you say we don't get children, you think we have it all? We don't have it all. We don't have it all at all. You think say all those children will be saying, wait, what? Not be mama born them? Na mama born them. You feel say all those children will be saying they run around, they smoke follow a corner. You think say not be mama born them? They say be children. Na person born them. The day when they born them, I want to see what So why? Yes, this is not good to mock somebody with it. It's not good to mock anybody at all. It's not good at all. Don't mock anybody. If I don't get food, it's not mock me. Give me I eat. Not about. Yes, that one I believe that one too. That's why they talk say. Now let my own I want get. Now let my own I want get. If I adopt, I be failure. If I adopt, I be failure. The ones when see go they adopt, now no they see and I also guess that they adopt. I they ask them, wow, what's the boy pikin do now? Go come collect the property. I pity. Really, I pity. Please, let's change our mindset. Let's change our mindset. You see our big mama that day, Princess by birth. Everybody they talk say, nah, adopt, she go adopt, she go adopt, she go adopt. What a shame to many of us. What a shame to many of us. But when we see these children, they walk out for street. We say, oh, see the pikin they walk out for street. They walk out for street. See children that they were sleeping inside the market. Girls sleeping inside the market. If they give them small money, they go sleep with them. Now mama born them. So don't feel too bad. Don't feel too bad today if you don't get pikin. Don't feel too bad if you are not married. Don't feel too bad if you are not married. And don't live a wayward life. Because I never get husband, I can live the way when I like. Don't do it. Don't do it. It's not good. Not do it, my people. If you are here listening to me, or you know they here with you know the thing no involve you, please share me out. Another person feel listening to this message. If you not good for your ear, if you know they sweet you for what I did talk, if you think say as my sister write down, as my brother Rishi Young, as you write down for years, say some people feel Africa feel that it's a taboo to adopt. Yes, another people still feel listening when they say they go understand where they go. Please, my young ladies are there. Women are doing great things in the world. Women are doing great things in the world. We are there dragging for man to. We are there one woman dragging 5 women dragging for one man because now that one be our achievement. Why some go come? Marriage is not an achievement. Marriage is not an achievement. Yes, some people marriage is not achievement, but as far as where I come from, for women. Oh my God, that is why when they are saying it, I'll say, oh, where this one for come? Where this one for come? But it's that time we stop it. It's that time we stop it. Yes, that you can make it. You can make it as a single woman. You can make it. And you can make yourself very responsible and decent. Don't let people put you to where you do not belong. I'm not saying that people they put you now. They never marry now because they never marry now they behave like this. They not go let people live their life. I don't know why people know they allow people they live their life, they must talk. The thing they baffle me. They baffle me. Don't let people live their life. You see the one when you pull pancake when you no fine. You see let people live their life as far as they are not living it for you. Please, let these people they get rest of mind. People will never marry. Please, you are not a mistake to this earth. No blame God, because God created you for a purpose. Not the every woman neither. Because the one when you even need that, some not even feel they take care of her. I don't know the street children, they run up around. Children are everywhere. Go and take one from there. Stop paying the small money you have to pastors. God bless you all. How many minutes I don't spend? Let me see. I try 31 minutes. God bless you all. If you want to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please go and subscribe. Grace Beta. The beta na B E Yes, we are going to love one. We have started it. Not be say we no love each other. Oh God. If you see what happened to me yesterday, Nigerians, we love each other. It's just that we want correct this one, we want correct this one, we want correct this one, we want correct that one. I make everywhere make bang 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 bang. Nigerians, we love each other. What happened to me yesterday? That one I tell no say yes, we love each other. I said no say we love each other. Nowhere when we say Nigeria man will sleep train station to daybreak. Never. Another Nigeria will take her entire ass. Yes. Nowhere. I don't know that's other country. Thank you, my people. Thank you, Rishi. Thank you, Rich Young. Rich Young. Thank you very much. Please help me to share it. Yesterday, I got there. Yesterday, what happened to me when I said no say we love each other. Because me myself, I don't take, even when I dey one room, I don't know how many people I see for train station. I will carry the entire house. They no hurt me. Nobody have. They no hurt me at all. People when I don't stay with, they have never hurt me, and I know Sabi even hurt anybody. Even though I want do, my husband will say shh. Leave them. You understand? They know nobody. I never. But yesterday, at the train station, somebody the video camera me. Another Nigeria sat down for another place. I just tired. I just sit down like this. And they come for work. I don't tire. I just do like this. I just sit down when I'm on Ogwale. I'm on Usese. No one hey boy. Person when you start to they walk 2 o'clock, go close for 10. I say me I see a train. I tire now. I sit down now. They walk back. One Pakistan man called the video. Me another Nigeria sat down. Oh, this Sevani. On a my phone. You carry phone. Why you video really was videoing me? You see, I go forgot post me for social media. You understand? We love ourselves. No Nigerian man in train station sleeping there. No one. We more after if you ever see 5 Nigerians, one must take his ass. So I don't feel say we hate each other, especially this my tribe, Bini. Makokemo. Imakokemo kokomo mahi. We dey help each other. But the casino, the problem when we get now, we know they know how to manage our hunger. That is just it. We love each other. We love each other. We love each other. We love each other. Love is leading. We have it. It's just that our hot temper is too much. And it's not our fault. That one, I don't blame anybody for his side. Our hot temper is too much because we have suffered many hardship. We have suffered. Pikin go come for school, go the small food me go feed it. Oh, ije mu amuru pa yon, o mu guy yon, o mu tomatoes yon, yahiere. Understand? They think they were teaching us hard work, but for me it was not hard work. I did it too. It was not hard work. The time when pikin don't come back from school, Baby, that's why you see pikin when you go SST, you understand? Because of the hardship. That is why I don't even go there. So God bless you all. Please share me. Share the message. Let it go to anywhere you want to go. I pray that it will heal our women life. We are very important. We are very, very important. Very important. You are important. I'm telling you today, if you are here, you are a woman. Don't let anybody put you down that you are not a woman. I'm not saying you go fight. Oh, no. Your good work will show the people. Will show people, say, yes, you are a good person. I've used 2 people, for instance, to make it stand for you. I used 2 people. I said, go and look at Oprah Winfrey. Go and look at Igodao, the woman that died last month. Go and look at her life. You know how many people celebrate that woman? Even though I let me one, I don't know her before. I celebrate her for her good work. There's a statement she make that still ring in my brain. He said, I did IVS more than 3 times and I could not do it anymore. He said, inside the hangar, use a paper good thing. Inside the hangar, when it gets, maybe I will share it in my wall. Inside the hangar, when it gets, so he get much anger. Say, oh God, why you not give me pikin? He said because of that one, she can't create for women when we say they never born. He go they assist them, they pay their money for the IVF, for the IVF. He go they help them, they assist them, they pay the money. Your frustration today, what till they bring out of her? That thing when be say they bother you for mind, not be only pikin o, not be only husband, or everybody get what they bother her for mind. That thing when people say they laugh you, that thing when be say they in you. When people say they laugh you, what till you take bring her heart? Inside that hangar, use her take born better thing, use her take bring better thing come out, so that when people see you, they go know say yes. You are doing well. Let's do well. Let every one of us do well. It takes nothing to do good. I always say it. It takes nothing to do good. It takes nothing from you. And remember one thing. Not be only your family you go they do good for. Do good around. When you go back by Emma, sorry if I'm speaking my language. Why you going to walk back? She do really 11 times? 11 times? Oh my God. She did 11 times IVF. God knows why she have that attack. But I'm not here to talk about that. God knows why. Please, don't make people ridicule you because of your predicament. It's not even predicament. Me, I don't see all those. I don't see challenges or predicaments. Yes, I don't see it. I feel that if you don't have A, you have B. Yes, that is what I feel. If you don't get pikin, you can't get money. I beg go adopt pikin when they say he go value you. Yes, he go value you, and God can bless you through that too. God can bless you through that. Pay school fees for children. Me when I even get pikin so. I don't want to say it in live video so that make some people no call me later. Make some family members no call me later. I'm going to give my mind in Nigeria. If you do for another person, not do for your family. Don't let bad thing happen to you. They go make sure say they drive you go that outside. I think I'll come out tomorrow because I'm in money duty tomorrow. I think I'll come out tomorrow. I'm going to talk about saying in marriage by force. And if you did not give them your paycheck, they are going to shoot your head. That is my message tomorrow. God bless you all. Let me leave you. Happy weekend. Tomorrow is Saturday. I wish you good weekend. Thank you all for staying with me. God bless you all. Go and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Grace Betta. The Betta is B-E-T-T-A. Really? She said that she have 11 times? Oh my God. You see, people don't know the meaning, the people that have died because of this IVF. I'm not saying she died because of IVF. I'm just saying a good work. But people don't know. Me, I've seen a woman. The woman born twins. She died immediately for IVF. Yes. She attended the same church with my mom. She was their women leader. She had IVF at the age of 50-something. She died when she had the child. She died. The children. She died. Okay, just imagine now. You want to get pikin, can't die. May that not be our portion. May that not be our portion. May that not be our portion. God bless you all. I think if you have anything to write up, please just write it so that let me answer. Thank you, Rishi. Rich. They always put this rich. Thank you very much for staying with me. Thank you for your comments. Your comments really, you know, when they give comments, as I know put number, your comments really matters a lot. Matters. So I go they read down, I go they answer you. I go they read down, I go they answer you. Thank you everybody that have been watching with me. Thank you. I'm trying to. I've read many comments since I read comments. David, thank you for commenting. Please, if you want to ask any question, you can do now so that I will just read it and be going. Yes, you try, madam. Thank you. Thank you all for staying tuned with me. May God bless you all. I'll be seeing you tomorrow by the grace of God. I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Please, wanna see come. We got a lot to discuss tomorrow. Yes, we got a lot to discuss. Even though I use Kate vlog me tomorrow, but the truth have to be said. No matter how person take talk the truth, more na see take enter on our hearts more. More na see feel say yeah, this person na truth they talk. No matter how the person take ash talk am, more na see feel say yes na truth they talk. Make people know they live in pretense. Make people know come they show you black instead of red. Make people know come they show you red instead of blue. You understand? Many people are in social media today. They don't like saying the truth because they don't know how people will react. For me, I don't think I will ever be like that. I always say things that I know, things that I saw when I see them. Sometimes tears go they fall come off from my eye. If I see some kind of things, I watch a video today. I was crying. So tomorrow I will share it with you. I will share it with you. I will share that video about that blind woman that Ode Osage was was in Ode Osage office today. I will talk about that, and I will talk about the man that shoots his wife and killed himself. I will talk about that tomorrow as God please. Thank you all for staying tuned. We shall see again tomorrow or next, or I don't know. Thank you. Bye bye. Stay blessed.